BTAI stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this quick short 1-minute video. Now here's the thing. After a crazy good pump like this, I'm looking to do what? Well, of course, double down and buy more. Like, am I gonna do that straight up though? No. Here's the proof of week. Now it's like 548. It was 3 at the time. I was only aiming for like $4, and then it went from 3 to freaking 8. And then this looks great because I got the first break on this way up, and the only thing that I really care about is the price pulling down and giving me a double break again. That's ultimately how BTAI is looking like, right? By the way, this is not financial advice or anything. All I'm still doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules to be met. And therefore, if you want to stay tuned, you know, and get free money making emails and insights and all that jazz, just click the first link in the description. It's free. But regarding BTAI, I will continue to keep you updated. And there is a few receipts in the Discord as well with about 5 results, right? So stay tuned and I'll continue to keep you updated.